For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Affiliate marketing has become one of the most accessible and profitable online business models. When combined with artificial intelligence, AI, it becomes even more powerful, allowing beginners and professionals alike to scale faster, automate tasks, and optimize for better conversions. Here's a step-by-step guide to making money with affiliate marketing using AI tools. Step 1. Understand affiliate marketing. Before diving into AI tools, you need to understand the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based marketing model where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale or lead you generate through your unique affiliate link. Common affiliate platforms: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, Digistore 24, PartnerStack for SaaS products. How money is made. You earn by driving traffic via content, social media, ads, etc. to your affiliate links and getting users to take action, usually purchasing a product or signing up. Step 2. Pick a profitable niche. AI can assist in niche selection by analyzing trends, competition, and demand. How to do it? Use Google Trends to identify rising topics. Use ChatGPT or Claude to brainstorm niche ideas, e.g., list 10 profitable evergreen affiliate niches for 2025. Use AI-powered keyword research tools like Ahrefs, Ubersuggest, or SEMrush to validate demand and competition. Tips for good niches: health and wellness, e.g., supplements, weight loss. Finance, e.g., budgeting tools, credit repair. Tech, e.g., AI tools, SaaS. Relationships, e.g., dating guides. Hobbies, e.g., golf, pets, fitness. Step 3. Choose the right affiliate products. Once you have a niche, choose relevant products or services with high commission potential. Use AI for product research. Ask ChatGPT, what are the best high-converting affiliate products for the keto niche? Analyze competition. Use AI SEO tools to scan competitors' sites and see what products they're promoting. Criteria for a good product: high conversion rate, high or recurring commission, solid reputation, long cookie duration, tracking window. Step 4. Create a website or blog, AI assisted. Your website is your main platform for content and link placement. Use AI to build your website. Use AI website builders like Wix ADI, Durable.co, or Framer. Generate content. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, reviews, landing pages, and more. Example prompt: write a 1,000-word SEO blog on top 10 budget laptops for students in 2025 with affiliate product mentions. Extra tools: Jasper AI or WriteSonic for long-form content. Surfer SEO to optimize AI content for Google rankings. Grammarly or Quillbot to polish grammar and readability. Step 5. Drive traffic, Organic plus paid. You need consistent traffic to make affiliate commissions. A. Organic traffic, SEO plus social media. Use AI for SEO strategy. Ask ChatGPT to create a content calendar. Keyword research. Use AI keyword tools like Lowfruits, Keyword Chef, or Ahrefs AI assistant. Content repurposing. Convert blog posts into tweets, LinkedIn posts, or Pinterest pins using tools like ContentBot.ai or Lately.ai. B. Paid traffic, optional. Run ads on Google, Facebook, or TikTok. Use AI ad generators like AdCreative.ai or Copy.ai to create high-performing ad creatives. Use PRedis.ai for AI-powered content scheduling and performance analysis. Step 6. Build an email list with AI funnels. An email list increases lifetime value and allows you to promote multiple products. Use AI to create lead magnets. Ask ChatGPT to write an ebook or checklist. Build funnels. Use AI funnel builders like System.io, Go High Level, or ClickFunnels with AI scripts. Write emails. Use ChatGPT or Jasper.ai to write engaging welcome sequences and affiliate promotions. Step 7. Track, test, and optimize with AI analytics. You can't improve what you don't track. Tools. Google Analytics plus Google Looker Studio with AI summaries. AnyTrack.io for unified affiliate tracking. Plurdy or Hotjar with AI heat maps to see how users interact with your site. Use AI to summarize analytics reports. Suggest A/B test ideas. Improve CTA performance. Predict which content might go viral. Step 8. Automate your workflow. Once you're making consistent income, scale your efforts by automating repetitive tasks. Automate with Zapier or Make.com to connect tools and automate actions, e.g., auto-send welcome email when someone signs up. ChatGPT agents to automate content production or customer support. AI chatbots like Tidio or BotPress to help users on your website. Step 9. Scale and diversify. After validating your process, outsource content writing or continue using AI plus editors. Create YouTube videos or shorts with tools like Pictory or Synthesia AI. Expand into new platforms like TikTok. Use CapCut plus AI scripts to edit short-form video content. Promote more products or build comparison pages. Step 10. Stay updated and iterate. AI and affiliate marketing trends change quickly. Follow blogs like Affiliate Hacker, Authority Hacker, and HubSpot AI updates. Join Facebook groups or subreddits related to affiliate marketing with AI. Use tools like Feedly AI to stay up to date on niche and product trends. Final tips for success. 1. Start with one traffic source and one product. Don't spread too thin. 2. Don't just paste links. Provide value. Write honest reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. 3. Use AI responsibly. Always edit AI content for accuracy, originality, and readability. 4. Invest in good tools. Many AI tools offer free tiers, but consider upgrading as you scale. 5. Stay patient and consistent. Affiliate marketing takes time, but AI shortens the path. Conclusion. Affiliate marketing is a proven method to earn online, and with AI, you gain a competitive edge by speeding up processes, reducing manual effort, and optimizing for higher conversions. Whether you're writing content, building funnels, analyzing data, or scaling campaigns, AI tools can act as your digital assistant. The key is to take action, test what works, and keep learning. With the steps above, you now have a clear roadmap to get started. Commit to applying one step at a time, and soon, you'll build a sustainable affiliate marketing business powered by AI. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.